everyone, welcome you back in my geography class. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we will know about the life of the people in the desert regions of Rajasthan from the chapter The Great Indian Desert of class 4. In the last videos we have already discussed about the location and extent of the Great Indian Desert, about the climate and the vegetation, and also we got to know about the landforms of the desert. Now today we will know about the life of the people living in the desert regions of Rajasthan. Just imagine that for 1 month if you are supposed to live in Rajasthan. You used to live in a plain land and now you are supposed to live in a desert area. What will be the situation? How will be the life? It is going to be very difficult because the climatic conditions differ in the plains and in the deserts. We will see that in plain ample of water resources are available, whereas in the desert region there is shortage of water resources. The people have to walk for longer distances to fetch water, right? So we all can understand that how hard it is for the people to live in the desert regions of Rajasthan. The life of the people in the desert regions of Rajasthan is very hard. Why? Because there is shortage of water and also there is dry sandy soil. People of Rajasthan, they rear animals like camels and also rear cattle like goats and sheep. Now let us know in details about the people who live in the desert regions of Rajasthan. Let us know about their language, about the dresses, about the important cities. Let us know which is the capital of Rajasthan, about the important places to visit in Rajasthan. So I hope all of you are ready to know about the life of the people in the desert regions of Rajasthan. So let's get started. Rajasthani people or Rajasthanis are an Indian ethnic group native to Rajasthan. The population in the desert area is small. People of different religious background lives here. Majority of the population are of the Hindus. Muslims, Jains, Buddhists and Christians also live in small numbers. Among the Hindus, the most prominent and important are the Rajputs. Now let us know who are the Rajputs. Rajputs are the well-known warrior people of Rajasthan. They are the group of land-owning rulers. And now the present generation of the Rajputs live here in Rajasthan, though their population is quite small in number. But do you know that the state of Rajasthan draws its name from that community, Rajput? So from the community Rajput, the state of Rajasthan got its name Rajasthan. Due to shortage of water and food, people keep moving from place to place. Such people are called nomads. Then who are nomads? Nomads are the people who keeps moving from place to place in search of food and water. The nomads of the Thar Desert are called Banjaras. Some other tribal groups that live here are the Bhil, which is one of the oldest communities in India, and the Mina. Now let us know the language in which the people of Rajasthan speak. The people of Rajasthan speak in Hindi and Rajasthani languages, especially Marwari in central and eastern portion of Thar Desert. Now let us know which are the important cities in the desert. The important cities in the desert are Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner and Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City. Now let us know about the occupation of the people in Rajasthan. Agriculture is the main occupation of Rajasthani people. In areas where water is available, major crops like jowar, bajra, wheat, ragi, barley, groundnut are grown. Other crops like cotton, pulses, sugarcane are also grown. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Satluj River, provides water to parts of the Thar Desert. And with the help of the Indira Gandhi Canal, now these areas have become green and the farmers can grow a variety of crops. Do you know that normally in Rajasthan rice cannot be grown? With the help of irrigation, it is now possible to grow rice in some parts of Rajasthan. Now, let us know about the most important animal of the Thar Desert. The camel is the most important animal of the Thar Desert, which is also known as the ship of the desert. The camel can withstand the desert heat. The camel has long legs, thick and padded feet, which help it to move on the hot sand easily. And the camel can survive without water and food for several days. Why? How they can store water? How they can live without food and water for so many days? Because camel has humps and they store their fats within their humps. Camel have thick lips and endothelium of mouth which helps them to eat desert plants. The eyelids of camels are very strong which can withstand the sandstorms. That is why camels are called the ship of the desert. Camels are the means of transport in the desert. They are used to carry loads, pull carts, and plow fields. The milk and meat of the camel serve as food for the people. Today, we will see that in Thar Desert, modern roads are constructed which link important cities in the Thar Desert and vehicles run on them. However, the camel still remains an important means of transport in the region. Other animals which are found in the Thar Desert are black buck, the great Indian bustard, the Indian wild ass, and the eagles. Now, let us know about the dresses of the people of Rajasthan. Traditionally, men wear dhotis, kurta, angrakha, and paggar or safa, that is a kind of turban headgear. In many places of Rajasthan, men also wear churidar pajama. The women of Rajasthan, they traditionally wear ghagra, choli or kanchali with an orni with beautiful gem-studded gold and silver ornaments. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, a special type of cloth is found that is a form of tie and dye which is called bandhani. Tie and dye is a process of coloring cloth by which parts of the cloth is first tied and then colored or dyed. Bandhani is very famous not only in Rajasthan and Gujarat but also in other parts of the country. Now let us know which are the main festivals that are celebrated in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the main festivals that are celebrated are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashera, Gangor and Tej. Do you know that Ghumar is the typical dance of Rajasthan which is performed on festive occasions by only women? Now let us know which are the places to visit in Rajasthan. Tourism is an important industry in Rajasthan. Many people from all over the world comes to Jaisalmer in Rajasthan during the Desert Festival. The tomb of Sufi mystic Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti at Ajmer is one of the most sacred Muslim shrines in India which attracts lot of Muslim pilgrimage. Some people also like to visit different old forts like Chittor Fort, Ghagron Fort, Udaipur Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort and Amer Fort and other monuments. People also comes to visit places like Jaisalmer, Pushkar Lake, Udaipur, Jaipur, Jodhpur, which is also known as the Blue City or the Sun City, Mount Abu, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, which is one of the best tiger reserve in India, Bikaner, Bharatpur, Nimrana, Sikhavati, Rajasthan, Bundi, Deeg, Fatehpur, Kumbhalgarh, Alwar, Sariksha National Park, and many more. So, what we get to know about the life of the people in the desert regions of Rajasthan, that Rajasthanis or the Rajasthani people are an Indian ethnic group native to Rajasthan. Major population who live in Rajasthan are of the Hindus. Muslims, Jains, Christians, Buddhists also live in small numbers. Among Hindus, the Rajputs are the most important. Who are the Rajputs? The well-known warrior people of Rajasthan. And the state of Rajasthan draws its name from where? From the community of Rajputs. Due to shortage of water, we will see that people move from one place to another in search of water along with their cattle, and we call them as the nomads. The nomads of the Thar desert are called the Banjaras. Some other tribals who live in Rajasthan are the Bhils, who are one of the oldest community, and the Meena. Now let us know about the languages that are spoken in Rajasthan. It is Hindi and Rajasthani, especially the Marwari language. The major cities of Rajasthan are Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and Bikaner. Here, the main occupation of the people is agriculture. Major crops like wheat, barley, jowar, bajra, ragi are grown along with sugarcane, pulses, and cotton. Rice cultivation is normally not possible where in Rajasthan, but now due to Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Satluj River, it provides water for irrigation. And for the Indira Gandhi Canal and for the water which is available for irrigation now, it is possible to cultivate rice only in some parts. And with the help of Indira Gandhi Canal, we will also see that it is turning these parts of the Thar desert into a green land. The men of Rajasthan, they wear dhoti, kurta, angarakha, pagga or safa, that is a headgear or a turban. And women wear ghagra, choli or kanchli with orni. Here in Rajasthan and Gujarat, we will see a special type of cloth that is formed of tie and dye, that is bandhani. Now, let us know about the ship of the desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. And I hope all of you remember that why camel is called the ship of the desert. Main festivals that are celebrated in Rajasthan are Gangor, Tej, Holi, Eid, Diwali and many more. Rajasthan attracts a lot of tourists every year. Tourism is an important industry in Rajasthan. Many Muslim pilgrimage go to Rajasthan to offer their prayers at Ajmer. They also go there for desert festival and for different forts like Chittor Fort, Ajmer Fort, we have Udaipur Fort, and there are many other places like the Pushkar Lake, we have Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Sariksha National Park, and many other places which attract a lot of tourists every year. So in this video, what we have learned? In this video, we came to know about the life of the people in the desert region of Rajasthan. I hope all of you understood what has been taught in today's video. With this, we came to an end of this chapter. Now what you will do, you will read your books and you will also follow the PDF that has been already attached in the description box. If you have any problem or any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video and if you feel it is worth watching, do share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon to get the further notification of my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, stay at your home and be good. Thank you.